Cash is king was once a powerful statement, but in today's digital world, credit runs the kingdom. Credit affects every aspect of life today. Even if you have a great career and boatloads of cash, you will still need a good credit score. Travelers with the best credit cards get all the perks and conveniences. Insurance companies and potential employers look at your credit score to evaluate your habits and risk. Good credit can make you money, or should I say, poor credit will definitely cost you lots of money. A person with poor credit will pay hundreds of dollars more monthly for a great lifestyle than someone with stellar credit. A great credit score can help you buy a house in an upscale neighborhood for about the same monthly payment that someone with poor credit would pay for less house in a less desirable area. A person with great credit can purchase a new luxury sedan for about the same monthly payment as someone with poor credit would pay for an older model used car. All those higher monthly payments on things like cars, credit cards, and houses can cost poor credit consumers over $500,000 during their lifetime. The bottom line is, poor credit is bad. It's even bad for our health. The constant stress and embarrassment of being turned down for purchases and having to pay higher interest rates wreaks havoc on our health. Right or wrong, people make decisions about our lives based on our credit scores. Is your credit score representing you the way you want to be represented?
So MyEcon has been around for about 13 years. One of the co-founders is black. That's a good thing for black people. I feel that MyEcon is what black people need. Okay? White people have a system for their people. Jewish people have a system for their people. Asians have a system for their people. Black people don't have a system for their people. Okay? So, I think MyEcon is the best of the best system for black people financially. Okay? Now, MyEcon has a host of other services and products, but the main focus is to help people lower their taxes, increase cash flow, and fix their credit. I'm going to say that again with MyEcon. Okay? Is to lower their taxes on their job, increase their cash flow, okay, and fix their credit to now have investments to start building a legacy for their family. So, white people have a system, Chinese people got a system, Indian people got a system, black people don't. So this system is only $35 a month. Now that's a no-brainer, okay? A no-brainer for real, okay? $35 doggone dollars a month, showing you how to lower taxes, increase income, and fix your credit and get investments. It's a no-brainer, right? Now, as far as the home-based business side, yeah, you can build a team, but you don't have to, okay? That's what I love about it too, because most people can't recruit a soul, okay? But once you start getting results with your credit when you do it yourself, and what I learned is that there's a lot of companies online or offline and lawyer firms and all that fix people credit, but they charge too much. And half the time they take too long. They take their slow poke time, and then on top of that, they charging you a damn arm and a leg, and half the time people don't even know what these credit companies are doing. So with MyEcon, they show you how to do it yourself. Now the reason that you want to fix your credit yourself and not pay thousands upon thousands of dollars to someone else to do it, because now you want to be able to teach your children how to have great credit. You want to be able to teach your children how to increase their cash flow. You want to be able to teach your children how to lower their taxes. So if all you're doing is just paying a whole bunch of people to fix your credit in hopes that you get good credit, How do you teach your children now? See, this thing is about wealth. I'm on my wealth journey for real. Okay? This thing is about wealth. It's not just, oh, I'm going to fix my credit and I'm good. No, fix your credit and get some business credit up to $250,000. Invest your money so your money can grow. So you can stop living check to check and stop living in a hole.